Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the desk lamp with wireless charger. So it's an LED desk lamp. Here's some of the information about it right there. Some more product specifications if you need it. But let's check this thing out. I'll open it up. Check it out. So here's the manual for it. And it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. But there's the, if you need it, you can pause it and zoom in. Same on this end here. The QR code that is on there, there's no app or anything, it's just for support. So we got the light, we have a charger, and we have the base. It's got some weight to it, so that's kind of cool. And it comes with a charger here. So this is the iPhone charger. I can't show you guys it charging because I'm using my phone to record this, but it goes up and down. You can kind of see on there, and then it's got this little piece here that goes up and clips into place, so that'll keep this from sliding down by itself. Although it stays up pretty decent, I guess. It kind of clips into place. And then the plug will go in there for the power. So let's plug that in. Here, I'll show you. So there, that's plugged in now. And I'll plug it into the wall here. There we go, we are plugged in. So the charger would probably work now, but the light is right here. So let's plug this in so it just kind of goes in. You can kind of see we've got this, the little clip goes in the back. And there we go, clipped into place. And then we've got that. And then we have the button here to make it go on and off. You can kind of see there, you barely have to touch it. It's just kind of a touch button. So there's on and off. And then this is to kind of change the colors. I don't know if you can see. Just kind of changes the brightness of it. When I'm looking at it, I see different colors on there. You guys probably can't see that. I don't know, just different colors, but that's kind of how it works. There's an off and on button. Not sure what that does. Let me look and see. See there, right there it says off and on. Curious what that is for. It's the USB switch. Oh, okay, I see. There's the USB right here. So that'll give you the off and on if you wanted to have the USB off or on. Not sure why you would ever leave it off. I guess just so it's not draining power when it's not in use. So it's a 5 volt, 1 amp USB port. So that's just old traditional USB port, not USB-C or anything. But it does do the wireless charging. It says on here, when using wireless charger, make sure to stand it to prevent your phone from slipping off. So you see it's got the little base here to put it on. And then align your phone with the charging base. So seems pretty cool to me. Nice little desk lamp. It's got a little place here. You can stick a few pens in there if you want to. I'm gonna go bring this with me to the office so I can charge my phone and have a little bit of light at my desk at the office. So kind of cool, just easy little device. So very cool. So this is it here. This is the LED desk lamp with wireless charger. Let me see what the button says on it. It's by, boy, it's hard to read. If you guys can read it, it's right there. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in enough. But I like it, seems cool to me. Very easy to do. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.